Hello, hello, hello. Sad times. This is your Dallas spiritual reader. It was just supposed to be a car show. Everybody was lining up to have fun until the nightfall. And this is what happened. While everybody was enjoying themselves with all kind of objects on the ground. In front of the club of friends, they say. Until the shots rang out. Shots rang out. Pow, 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 pow. Two people shooting at each other. Innocent people were being shot. A 19-month-old child ended up at the children's hospital. Do you see what I see? The evil is all around. It was supposed to be the Hood Nick car show. Look at that city name. Do you think the devil is listening? Because there was 30 people shot. 2 had to be care-flighted. 1 is dead. This guy say he was running and ducking, trying to get all the kids out the way. It was 6 kids injured. Do you see what I see? A man of being desperate to save somebody else's child. Dumas is just a small town, 5,000 people. You don't expect that. You don't expect that from a small town. Wallace McGee was one of the organizers. The Dumas car show. Do you see what I see? He wanted to give the town a safe event, non-violence, only to be disappointed by his own people. As they seek for the shooters, a total of 2, they say. Peace be still for Dumas, Arkansas. May God understands the evil in this town.